I've lost my son to United States. Ah, oh, this is my. I am the cause of all this. I'm the cause.
Yo, Dad, I'm getting down here.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Out.
And I'm following me. This street is full of my properties.
Wow.
This one there, that building there, and the one behind it, they're all mine.
Oh, great. Oh, great.
This place is the one I gave to their cousin.
Wow.
To finish up the construction of the building.
Wow.
You see those flowers?
Over there?
Yeah, they're bothering the last property I acquired.
Oh, wow.
That was last year.
All right.
Now, I think it's time for you to come back home and take possession of all this. I'll show you. See how beautiful. There's no building in America that's as good as that.
Daddy, you're very funny.
What's funny about that?
Very funny. I mean, talking about his shit here, man. All right. Is there another one over there?
Yeah.
All right.
You can see the roof. You can see the flowers around there. Beautiful things.
You really got property here.
This is an extension of the other one. Look at it.
Oh, you own this one too?
It's an extension. Can't you see the fence from where we parked?
Okay, from over here.
Yeah, can't you see it?
All right.
And then this place.
This one too?
This place is it's the best of them all.
Wow.
That's a swimming pool inside.
All right.
So I did all these things for you. You know, I don't have another boy. Don't have another person. Your sister is in South Africa and she's happily married. Doesn't need to come and possess anything. So yours is to come home and acquire. You can see how special this place is.
Wow.
How special. The flower, the education, and everything.
Dad, you know what? You know what? The truth is that I don't think I'm coming back to possess any shit here. Nigeria is not a place to stay.
No,
After what I've seen through my first time of coming back, seeing all these securities and all these things happening.
Listen, let me tell you. This is your fatherland. There is no running from yourself. This place is Nigeria. This is Igbo community, Igbo land. That is what I represent. Look at the title. And this title, I've done it for you. Your own is when you come back, you just take up the car. And we cannot do it this time. It's when you come back next, right? So let's be going. I want to show you the empty land that is the other place. That one is very spacious. It's by the road to electrical and electronics market. I'll show you that.
Dad, I tell you the truth. If there's anything I should be talking about now, is how to focus on my career, United States.
You can do your career here, my friend. Keep quiet.
Raise my family. Nigeria is not a place to stay. I mean, can't you see all these insecurities there? Last night I was hearing gunshot over there. My bed, I couldn't sleep. Why talking? I mean, you don't expect me to come back, do shit what he.
In America, people are not being shot every day.
No, you don't tell me that, Daddy.
Is it not that we see street shootings and here and there?
I don't think it's gonna work, but all the same, I must say you've acquired so much properties, but you can sell them and
we're just in the east. When we get down to Lagos, I'll show you what is there. We fly to Abuja, I'll show you what is in Abuja. I have properties everywhere. That is why you must come to take possession. All these things I have been acquiring them for you and your comfort.
My point still meant that this country, Nigeria, is not a place to be. And I'm not going to come here to acquire any property. If you're going to talk about coming back here, it's not me. I'm not planning to come back to Nigeria for any reasons, Daddy. I'm telling you, for any reason, I'm not coming back.
Stop. You should stop ranting. Let's just get to the...
Dad, I'm telling you the truth. You don't expect me to come back here.
To the empty land.
Yeah.
Let's just go. I will tell you that.
All right.
Listen, let me tell you.
Yeah, Dad.
Stop ranting. What we are doing is when we get to that place, I show you that site. You will like it. You can use it to do your hospital. You can use it to raise anything you want. The insecurity you are talking about here has been taken care of. So you don't talk about insecurity again. We are safe down here. Okay?
Dad, I tell you the truth. I don't see anything bring me back. I mean, bringing me to this fucking country. I mean, you don't expect me to come and live here. I'm serious. This is my first time of visiting here, but I don't see anything bringing me back here. That's just the truth.
You have every comfort you need. Wealth. Wealth covers everything. What you need here is for you to get what you want with the money I've acquired for you. You can even sell some of the properties and then get what you need. You can clear your place. You can clear. Just clear by your right here. Let's get down so you see this place. You will like it.
All right.
Now, look at this parcel of land. Don't mind that wall there. Don't mind that dwarf wall. You see that palm tree over there?
Yeah, yes,
that's the boundary. It's upwards of 8 plots. It's almost an acre. So what you do is this place you can use it to develop whatever you want. The place is very fine. That transformer, I fixed that transformer there. That transformer, I brought it to help the community. And then it will be inside the enclosure of the building. You take the fencing the way you want it. That's why I just left it. You do it the way you want to do it, the American style, whatever. But I want you to come. This is one of the most prized areas in this place. Where they are over 250 million. And that is for you.
All right, Dad, I've heard you, but I still maintain my stance on this. I'm going to go talk about this again. You see this place, this Nigeria, this country, it's not a place to be. I'm not going to come back here. I'm not going to settle here. I want you to have this and have peace for last time. I'm not going to come back, please. Let me be. I should be going to the airport to catch my flight. I'm going to Lagos. From there, then tomorrow morning back to state. I mean, US. Don't expect me to come and settle here, Daddy. I'm sorry. I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to do it. For 25 years, coming back to see this place like this, insecurity everywhere, you don't expect me to be here. I mean, I'm not going to stay here. I'm sorry, Dad. I got to catch my flight. See you back. I mean, when are you going to come back to stay? When are you coming back? I'm sorry, Dad. I think I'm late already. Right? See you, Pop. I'll give you a call. Right? Bye-bye. Shit, man. Stay in Nigeria. Full of insecurity.
So this is how I lost my son. I've lost my son to the United States. Oh, this is I am the cause of all this. I'm the cause of this. If I had started bringing him back from childhood, by now, he would have been accustomed to this place. Just imagine. All these parcels of land, 25 buildings in southeast here, I have three properties in Abuja, one shopping mall in Lagos, everywhere, all over. So, but who am I then acquiring this for? Oh, people must dedicate time to their family. If I had dedicated time to this child, I would have started bringing him back to this country at the age 3. By now, he would have been accustomed to this place. I know I forced him to bring him back here to show him these properties. And now his only reply is that he's not going to stay in Nigeria. Oh. If I had started bringing this boy back from age 3, he would have been the person urging me to bring him back home to show him these things, to show him these properties. But I'm not going to forfeit all these things. So am I leaving this thing for? In fact, he was asking me when I am returning to US. I will not go back to US. He will not see me again if he doesn't return there. I will not go there. I will look for a way to get married here or adopt other sons to get people to inherit this. And I cannot just suffer for nothing. All the things I suffered to build. No, I cannot leave it for hoodlums to inherit.